must be going blind.
Diamond Turf pickup. We gonna be clear about this, bro. These are not the 49ers. It's not the 49ers colorway. Falcons. We did not play for the 49ers when these dropped. Stop calling these 49ers. I know it got gold hit, but these is the Falcons colorway. We'll be able to talk about the 49ers colorway next year because they dropping. That's the tools, bro. Falcons, all right? First pickup of the year, had to grab those. Priority on my list. Next pickup, you already seen them because they are everything in view. Ravens colorway, had to do it. Reason I really had to do it because caught them on sale, 129 type shit, you feel me? These actually went, so for me to be able to find them somewhere and find them on sale, I was rocking with that. First off, 155, man, you can't even trip off 155 because everything 200 plus now, so 155 on top, I ain't tripping. But yeah, had to have both of those, and then these also was priority on my list. Emeralds, I think I might go ahead and grab them just to complete the cipher, but I don't know. We'll see. If I catch them on sale, we're going to do something. But I was already on these from last year. So this shoe could actually be worn in the fall time. I live in Florida. I could wear these all year round. The material's really good. Not premium, but it is a good leather. And Nike actually on the description, it says something like the leather will wear in over time to like a real soft, whatever they say. I'll put it up on the screen. You'll see it. But yeah, man, material is really good on these, man. Smooth on the toe box, right? But you got your mud guard. It's nice and heavily tumble. It's a really nice look to me to add the, you know what I'm saying, two different textures of leather. Of course, you know, you got your gold on that net, and I gotta see what that is up under there. The blue really sets it off. Then you got your gold hits. I don't know if y'all can really see it that good. Got the gold hits right there inside the panels of the leather. Got your Must Be the Money logo inside the shoe. Nice little detail. Same thing on the inside of the other shoe. Hold on, let me. All right, so yeah, I just said, you know, let me go ahead and get them both out because I forgot about one of the most important, really the most important detail, kind of hidden, but a very dope detail. You got your blue strip. You got your blue strip, but then you got your 21 and your 24. Man, look, I ain't gonna lie to you, dog. Oh shit, I ain't even realize. I forgot these came with an extra set of laces. So you got black laces. Me personally, white laces all day. The white laces is too clean. Sleeper of the year, in my opinion. 21, 24. You got the blue strips, dog. It must be the money if you got the blue strips in them. Like, what we doing? Probably gonna go on sale. But at the price that we paying for sneakers right now, bro, $155, I am not tripping on the retail dub at all. It's not always Jordans. Sometimes it's just all about classic fire sneakers. I need some classic fire sneakers. Yeah, other than that, man, that's all I got. I just wanted to show y'all that in this video, the Diamond Turf pickups for the year. Hit me up in the comment box, comment section, whatever y'all want to call it. Let me know. Did y'all pick up any other Diamond Turfs? To me, Diamond Turf, the love for Diamond Turfs kind of show your age a little bit. So I'm not expecting anybody that's like under, 28 maybe? That might be even too far. I ain't expecting nobody that's like in their mid-20s to understand what's going on right here. Let me know, man, what Diamond Turfs you picked up this year. Are you looking forward to next year? Because we got tools coming back next year. Diamond Turf tools are coming back next year. It has been confirmed. We don't have any official dates yet, at least not from what I've seen, but we do got Diamond Turf tools coming back next year. So, yeah, man, if you in that age group and you grew up, you know who Deion Sanders really is, you really know about prime time, yeah, man, holla at your boy. Anyway, man, your boy Mike Dub, a.k.a. Don't Wait to Create. I'm about to sign out, see what's going on with these games today. I know these sorry-ass Bears finna lose. So we'll see, but we're going to see what them Ravens do today, too. Hit me up in the comment section, too. Let me know. What's your team, man? Who y'all rocking with? Unfortunately, I grew up in the Midwest, so I came up a Bears fan. Let me know who you rocking with. Your boy Mike Dub, signing out. Drop a like. Hit the subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. Notification bell, too. One love. I'm out.